Imagine it's Monday morning. While everyone else is stuck in traffic, you're opening your laptop from a resort in Bali, and money is already hitting your account. That's the reality for thousands of people making money online in 2025. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start making money online this year and break free from the traditional 9-to-5. Let's get started. The first way to make money online is to list your spare bedroom on Airbnb.com. Renting out your home or spare bedroom on vacation rental sites is a good way to make extra money. On average, people make around $500 to $1,000 per month. However, by consistently providing a great guest experience, you can increase your earnings to over $2,000 per month in peak seasons. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, and check your rental agreement, HOA rules and zoning, or other restrictions before you get started. If you have a place to rent, it's a simple process. A listing can be created online and ready in just a few hours. You'll get paid within a day or more after check-in. The record of success depends on the demand in your area and your location. Next, learn to use AI tools. Artificial intelligence is so hot right now. It's a good time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include publishing an ebook, creating a website, and integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products online. You can also create courses where you teach others to use AI tools and charge your own fees. Many people still don't know how to use tools like ChatGPT or Canva. The best part of it all is that you don't need to be an expert to teach people. Many people charge $25 to $80 per hour just to teach others how to use AI tools. Type the word blueprint in the comment section if you'd like me to give you an actual blueprint on how to create an AI course. A profitable and overlooked moneymaker is private tutoring. Use your math, science, foreign language, or test prep expertise into a lucrative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. Advanced tutors and elite tutoring can let you earn up to $300,000 per year. Seriously, to get started, you can advertise your services at private schools and universities. Advertise your experience through networking at elite events or subcontract your services on various teaching platforms. Fourth way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another game changer in 2025. Companies are constantly looking for people to promote their products, and you don't need to own the product yourself. You simply share a product link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. For example, if you promoted a $70 personal finance course with a 20% commission, you'd earn $14 every time someone purchased. If you manage to get just 10 sales a week, that's $140 weekly, or about $560 a month. And if you scale your audience, those numbers grow quickly. One of the fastest ways to earn online is freelancing. Think about skills you already have: writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, coding. On platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, even beginners can charge between $20 to $30 an hour for entry-level work or $150 for an experienced freelancer. Build your clientele and improve your rating, which will allow you to charge more. That's more than enough to cover rent in many cities or become a powerful side hustle while you scale other online income streams. Lastly, let's talk about content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have opened doors for regular people to turn content into cash. In 2025, the demand for short-form and educational content is skyrocketing. For example, if you built a faceless YouTube channel around personal finance, travel, or tech tutorials, you could earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Let's say your channel grows to 50,000 subscribers and you average 100,000 views per month. With a conservative ad revenue rate of $4 per 1,000 views, that alone could bring in about $400 a month just from ads, not even counting brand deals or affiliate commissions. The best part is that once a video is live, it can keep earning you money passively for months or even years. The digital economy has exploded in the past few years. Remote work, artificial intelligence, and online marketplaces have changed how people earn a living. In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to monetize your skills, your creativity, and even your free time. But before you jump in, you need to understand that making money online is not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a system that can generate income consistently. So, if you're tired of trading your time for money, 2025 is your chance to take control. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or building digital products, the opportunities are endless. The question is, are you ready to take action and escape the 9-to-5? It's time to manifest a new way of life and start reaching for those financial goals today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance strategies, and comment below which online income stream you want to try first. Remember, your 9 to 5 pays the bills, but your online hustle could buy your freedom